अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी once said, बाधाएं आती हैं आए, बाधाएं आती हैं आए, घिरे प्रलय की घोर घटाएं, पाँवों के नीचे अंगारे, सिर पर बरसे यदि ज्वालाएं, निज हाथों में हंसते हंसते आग लगाकर जलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा। नमस्कार। Unity does not mean that every existing culture and religion has to be similar, but it means that despite the existing differences, everyone has to feel that they belong together. There were many who used to think that a diverse country like our India can never remain united. It will fall apart. But Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel showed how it is done. Thus, National Unity Day is observed on 31st October every year on the birth anniversary of our first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister, the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Music is a universal language. It is a form of communication that transcends space and time, touching the hearts of people worldwide. With just one note, a shred of hope, happiness, and even sadness can be transmitted from one soul to the next. Music really plays a major role in our day-to-day lives and eliminates differences among various cultures, races, and generations. Music truly brings us all together. Even though because of COVID-19 the performance was virtual, but still the sense of unanimity this performance held is truly an eye-opener. Now, after such an astounding showcase of unity, let's move forward with the life sketch of the man who was the brain behind the political integration of India. The man who made something impossible possible and did something unparalleled, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel once said, "Manpower without unity is not a strength. Unless it is harmonized and united properly, then it becomes a spiritual power." Born on 31st October 1875 in Nadial, a village in Gujarat, Sardar Patel was son of Shri Javed Bhai Patel, who was a freedom fighter too. वल्लभ भाई पटेल ने सरदार की उपाधि सन 1928 में गुजरात के बरदौली सत्याग्रह में हासिल की। उन्होंने सन 1942 के विद्रोह संग्राम में पूर्णतः भारतीयों का नेतृत्व किया। भारत की स्वतंत्रता से पहले भारत में लगभग 500 देशी रियासतें थीं। स्वतंत्रता के बाद गृह मंत्री के पद पर होने के कारण इन रियासतों को भारत संघ में लाने का कार्यभार सरदार पटेल पर था। उन्होंने यह अत्यंत कठिन काम राजनीतिक सूझबूझ व कुशल नीति द्वारा पूर्ण किया। The Iron Man of India, a title for a very rightful person, also known as the patron saint of India's civil services. Sardar Patel was very clear in his objective that the map of India should be united throughout its length and breadth. It is because of him that every citizen of this country can now move freely from one state to another without any paperwork or restrictions. To celebrate a man of courage and thoughtfulness, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi flagged a project to construct a 182-meter tall statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, which now stands as the tallest statue in the world.
At last, a priceless saying by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. हर नागरिक की यह मुख्य जिम्मेदारी है कि वह महसूस करे कि उसका देश स्वतंत्र है और देश की स्वतंत्रता की रक्षा करना उसका कर्तव्य है। धन्यवाद।
The contributions made by Sardar Patel in the movements against British and unification of our country are undoubtedly inspiring. The Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat initiative was announced by our Honorable Prime Minister on 31st October 2015 on the occasion of the 140th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat initiative aims to promote the mutual understanding between people of different states through the concept of pairing, thereby strengthening the unity and integrity of our country. Our state Madhya Pradesh has been paired up with the states Manipur and Nagaland under this initiative. Next you can see Glorians dressed up as residents of Nagaland and Manipur showcasing the state's culture.
खुरुम जानी
अर्घ्य एवं पीयूष
इकाओगे मणिपुर दादी एक ने एमिंग इसी का एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत उत्सव का मैं अम्बु तरनाम अक्षरी Manipur is a beautiful state. It is rich in biodiversity. It is also known as the Switzerland of India. It is surrounded with 7 hills. It is also has a floating national park. It is also said to be the origin of polo. Under the Yojana of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, Manipur is the partner state of Madhya Pradesh. Sentiments for national unity will be strengthened and increased between the citizens of the state and states governed by the union government by conducting various activities throughout the year. Under this campaign, the Yojana has enabled to celebrate unity in diversity and promote the spirits of national integrations. And most importantly, the long terms turn into an engagement between the states. Sardar Patel gave us Ek Bharat. It is the solemn duty of all Indians to collectively make it Shresth Bharat. Thank you.
ये बात तो मोर लगा नाम आरुषा से।
More Naganam is Diksha se. Nagaland is the land of festival. It is a mountainous state. It is famous for diverse culture. It has more than 16 tribes, each with unique and different languages. The Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat scheme was initiated on 31st October 2015 on the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This program paired different states and union territories to exchange their cultural differences. Under this program, Nagaland ties with Madhya Pradesh, the heart of India, as part of state continues to strengthen its relation through multiple interaction By virtually organizing events, both states learn each other's diverse culture, food, tourism, festival, and many more. Thank you.
When we respect the traditions and beliefs of different sections, there is an increase in goodwill and affection. Thus, the celebration of this diversity brings out the hidden unity. Today, the whole world listens to India, and it is because of our unity. Thus, with utmost rejoice, let's welcome the setting up of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat Club in our school.
Today, we feel proud to initiate Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat Club, Phale Amat Oeba, with the aim to promote the uniqueness of India as a nation, which is woven by diverse linguistic, cultural and religious threads held together into a composite national identity by a rich history of cultural evolution. Through this innovative measure, the knowledge of culture, traditions and practices of different states and union territories lead to better understanding and bonding between the state of Madhya Pradesh and its paired states, Manipur and Nagaland, strengthening the unity and integrity of India. Thereby, our objective is to promote the spirit of national integration through deep and structured engagement between our state and partner state of Madhya Pradesh through various programs. We aim to mirror the rich heritage and culture, customs and traditions of this state for enabling people to understand and appreciate the diversity of India, thus fostering the sense of common identity that create an environment which promote learning between states by sharing best practices and experiences. We should keep up such moral values intact.
Now, to reinforce the commitment and to strengthen the unity and integrity of our country, I request everyone to join this pledge in virtual mode, keeping in mind the ongoing COVID pandemic and imperative to observe social distancing protocols.
I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity and the security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and the action of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure the internal security of my country. Thank you. Jai Hind.
From Kutch to Kohima, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Sardar Patel united the country. The National Unity Day signifies the unity in diversity and hence can be defined as an utsav of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Continuing with the verse of Atalji spoke. हास्य रुदन में, तूफानों में, असंख्यक बलिदानों में, उद्यानों में, वीरानों में, अपमानों में, सम्मानों में, उन्नत मस्तक उभरा सीना, पीड़ाओं में पलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा. Sardar Patel's ideologies and principles will forever enlighten us. And for his endless contributions and sacrifices for our country, we will always be grateful to him. Thus, let's take the pledge to grow from strength to strength and always stay united to make our country greater than ever. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.